2016 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.